What is DNS? Imagine you want to call your friend. You don't dial their house address, you dial their phone number, right? The internet works the same way. Every website on the internet has an IP address, something like 142.250.190.78. But these numbers are very hard to remember. Instead of typing the IP, we type names like google.com or youtube.com. The domain name system, DNS, is like the phone book of the internet. It translates easy-to-remember domain names into the IP addresses that computers use to talk to each other. How DNS works, step by step. Let's say you type google.com in your browser. Your computer asks the DNS server, "What is the IP address of google.com?" The DNS server looks it up. It replies with the IP address of Google's server. Your computer then uses that IP to connect and load the website. This all happens in a fraction of a second every time you visit a site. Imagine without DNS, you'd have to remember hundreds of IP numbers just to browse your favorite sites. With DNS, you just type names like facebook.com or netflix.com. Much easier, right? Hackers sometimes target DNS in something called a DNS attack. That's why DNS security is super important for the whole internet.